It's moral stories. Woohoo!
In the quiet village of Eldergrove, nestled between rolling hills and ancient forests, lived an old man named Oswald. He was known for his peculiar habit of always checking his old, ornate pocket watch. This watch, with its intricate silver carvings and sapphire-studded lid, had been in his family for generations. Little did the villagers know, the watch held a secret that intertwined the past, present, and future. Oswald was a recluse, rarely seen without his watch. Children whispered tales of the old man who could bend time, and elders reminisced about Oswald's youth, where he had seemingly performed miracles. His cottage, at the edge of the village, was a sanctuary of mystery, filled with ancient tomes, curious artifacts, and the lingering scent of lavender and old parchment. One crisp autumn morning, a young girl named Eliza wandered into Oswald's garden. She was a spirited child with a thirst for adventure and an insatiable curiosity. The old man, who had always kept his distance from the villagers, found himself intrigued by her bravery. He invited her in, offering her a seat by the warm fireplace. "Tell me, young one, what brings you to my humble abode?" Oswald asked, his voice a blend of age and wisdom. "I've heard stories about you and your watch," Eliza replied, her eyes wide with wonder. "Is it true that it can perform magic?" Oswald chuckled softly, his eyes twinkling with a hint of mischief. "Ah, the tales of Eldergrove. They do have a way of growing with each telling. But yes, this watch is special. It has been passed down through my family for centuries, each guardian learning its secrets and adding their own." Eliza leaned forward, her curiosity piqued. "Can you show me?" With a gentle nod, Oswald opened the watch. The moment the lid clicked open, a soft golden glow filled the room. The hands of the watch moved in a graceful dance, and the air shimmered with the essence of time itself. "This watch," Oswald explained, "is not just a timekeeper. It holds the power to glimpse into moments long past and those yet to come. It can pause time, allowing one to observe the world without being a part of it." He beckoned Eliza closer, holding the watch so she could see its intricate workings. "Would you like to take a journey with me?" Eliza nodded eagerly, and Oswald turned the watch's crown. The room around them began to blur, the walls dissolving into a swirling vortex of light and shadow. In an instant, they found themselves standing in the same cottage, but it was no longer Oswald's quaint home. Instead, it was a grand hall filled with laughter and music, a scene from a bygone era. "This is Eldergrove, many centuries ago," Oswald said, "a time when the village was a bustling town, full of life and joy." Eliza gazed around in awe, watching as elegantly dressed men and women danced and conversed. She saw children playing, much like herself, their laughter mingling with the music. The scene was vibrant, a stark contrast to the quiet village she knew. As they walked through the hall, unnoticed by the revelers, Oswald pointed out various details. "Every moment in time is a thread in the tapestry of life. Each thread is connected, weaving the story of our world." With another twist of the watch's crown, the scene shifted again. This time they stood in a future Eldergrove. The village was now a bustling hub of technology and innovation, yet it retained its charm and sense of community. Eliza marveled at the sleek buildings, the advanced gadgets, and the harmonious blend of nature and progress. "This," Oswald said softly, "is a possible future, one of many paths that time can take." They returned to the present, the golden glow fading as the watch's lid closed. Eliza looked up at Oswald, her eyes filled with newfound understanding. "Time is a precious gift," Oswald said, placing a gentle hand on her shoulder. "It's not to be controlled, but to be respected and cherished. Remember, every moment is a chance to shape the future." Eliza left the cottage that day with a heart full of wonder and a promise to herself. She would live each day with purpose, knowing that every action, no matter how small, would influence the tapestry of time.